Welcome to this honest review and full tour of Iberostar Rose Hall Beach All-Inclusive Resort, located in the beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica. If you're looking for a luxurious and relaxing getaway, this is the perfect place for you. In this video, we will take you through the various aspects of Iberostar Rose Hall Beach All-Inclusive Resort, including its location, world-class amenities, accommodation options, dining choices, activities and amenities, spa and wellness facilities, and much more. By the end, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of whether Iberostar Rose Hall Beach All-Inclusive Resort is the right choice for your next vacation. Overview of the resort's amenities and services. The Iberostar Rose Hall Beach All-Inclusive Resort boasts a wide range of amenities and services that cater to the needs and preferences of every guest. From the moment you step foot on the property, you'll be immersed in a world of luxury and relaxation. The resort offers a variety of room categories to choose from, including comfortable standard rooms, spacious suites, and even luxurious villas for those seeking an extra level of privacy and exclusivity. Guests can take advantage of the resort's all-inclusive package, which includes unlimited access to all dining options, bars, and recreational activities. The main buffet restaurant offers a diverse selection of international dishes, while the a la carte restaurants serve up a range of cuisines, including Italian, Mexican, and seafood. For those looking to unwind with a refreshing drink, the resort features several bars and lounges where you can enjoy a tropical cocktail or your favorite beverage. Accommodation options at the resort. Upon arrival at the Iberostar Rose Hall Beach All-Inclusive Resort, guests are greeted by the friendly staff and a warm Jamaican welcome. The resort's grand lobby sets the tone for the rest of the stay, with its elegant decor and inviting atmosphere. The check-in process is smooth and efficient, ensuring that guests can quickly settle into their well-appointed accommodations and start enjoying their vacation. The resort offers a variety of accommodation options to suit different preferences and group sizes. Whether you're traveling as a couple, with family, or with a group of friends, you'll find the perfect room or suite to meet your needs. The resort's standard rooms are spacious and comfortable, featuring modern amenities such as air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, and mini bars stocked with a selection of beverages. For those seeking a more luxurious experience, the resort offers a range of suites that provide additional space and upgraded amenities. The suites feature separate living areas, private balconies or terraces, and whirlpool tubs where you can relax and unwind after a day of exploring the resort. If you're looking for ultimate privacy and exclusivity, the resort's villas are the perfect choice. These spacious and beautifully appointed accommodations offer private pools, gardens, and butler service, ensuring a truly unforgettable stay. Dining options and culinary experiences. One of the highlights of staying at the resort is the dining experience. With a variety of restaurants and bars to choose from, guests can indulge in a culinary journey without ever leaving the resort. The main buffet restaurant offers a wide selection of international dishes, including fresh seafood, grilled meats, and an array of desserts. The restaurant's open-air setting provides a relaxed and inviting atmosphere, perfect for enjoying a leisurely meal with loved ones. In addition to the buffet restaurant, the resort features several a la carte restaurants that specialize in different cuisines. From Italian classics at the Italian restaurant to spicy Mexican dishes at the Mexican restaurant, there is something to satisfy every palate. For seafood lovers, the resort's seafood restaurant offers a selection of fresh catches, prepared in a variety of mouth-watering ways. Each restaurant provides a unique dining experience, with attentive service and a vibrant atmosphere. Activities and entertainment at the resort. The Iberostar Rose Hall Beach All-Inclusive Resort offers a wide range of activities and entertainment options to keep guests of all ages entertained throughout their stay. Whether you're looking for relaxation or adventure, you'll find plenty of options to choose from. The resort features multiple swimming pools, including a large main pool, a children's pool, and an adults-only pool. Guests can also take advantage of the resort's stunning beachfront location and spend their days lounging on the pristine white sand, or taking a dip in the crystal-clear Caribbean Sea. For those seeking a more active vacation, the resort offers a variety of sports and recreational activities. From beach volleyball and tennis to water aerobics and kayaking, there is something for everyone. The resort also features a state-of-the-art fitness center where guests can stay in shape while enjoying panoramic views of the ocean. In the evening, guests can enjoy live entertainment, including shows, concerts, and themed parties, ensuring that there is never a dull moment at the Iberostar Rose Hall Beach All-Inclusive Resort. Beach and pool facilities. One of the main attractions of this all-inclusive resort is its stunning beach and pool facilities. The resort boasts a beautiful stretch of white sand beach where guests can relax under the shade of a palm tree, soak up the sun, or take a refreshing swim in the crystal-clear waters of the Caribbean Sea. The beach is well maintained and offers plenty of loungers and umbrellas, ensuring that guests have a comfortable and enjoyable beach experience. In addition to the beach, the resort features several swimming pools that are perfect for cooling off and enjoying a refreshing swim. The main pool is large and inviting, with plenty of loungers and a swim-up bar where guests can enjoy a tropical cocktail without ever leaving the water. There is also a children's pool and an adults-only pool, ensuring that guests of all ages can find their perfect spot to relax and unwind. Wedding and event venue. Iberostar Rose Hall Beach in Jamaica is a stunning all-inclusive resort that offers an ideal location for weddings and events. With its direct beach access, guests can enjoy the beauty of the Caribbean Sea and white sandy beaches. For those looking to host a wedding, Iberostar Rose Hall Beach offers romantic wedding and honeymoon packages. These packages include an on-site wedding specialist, setup of the wedding venue, witnesses if required, and a toast after the ceremony. Guests can also customize their wedding day with an a la carte option. The resort provides elegant accommodations with private balconies and room service, allowing guests to relax in luxury. Overall, Iberostar Rose Hall Beach ensures a beautiful setting and an unforgettable experience for weddings and events in Jamaica. Spa and wellness offerings. For those seeking relaxation and rejuvenation, the Iberostar Rose Hall Beach All-Inclusive Resort offers a range of spa and wellness offerings. The resort spa is a tranquil oasis where guests can indulge in a variety of treatments and therapies designed to promote relaxation and well-being. From massages and facials to body wraps and aromatherapy, there is something to suit every preference. The spa features a team of skilled therapists who are dedicated to providing personalized and attentive service. Guests can choose from a menu of treatments that draw inspiration from both traditional and modern techniques, ensuring a truly unique and rejuvenating experience. The spa also features a sauna, steam room, and jacuzzi where guests can further unwind and soothe their senses. Customer reviews and testimonials. The Iberostar Rose Hall Beach All-Inclusive Resort has received rave reviews from past guests who have had the pleasure of staying at this luxurious property. Here are a few reviews and testimonials from previous guests at Iberostar Rose Hall. The service at Iberostar Rose was outstanding. The staff went above and beyond to make our stay memorable. The food was delicious, and the rooms were spacious and luxurious. We can't wait to go back. By Sarah. The beach at Iberostar Rose Hall was absolutely stunning. The water was crystal clear, and the sand was soft and white. We spent most of our days lounging by the pool or taking long walks along the beach. It was paradise, says John Danny. Emily says, the spa at Iberostar Rose Hall was a highlight of our trip. We indulged in a couple's massage and spent the rest of the day relaxing in the hydrotherapy circuit. It was the perfect way to unwind and recharge. The resort's amenities and services, including the spacious accommodations, diverse dining options, and exciting activities, have also been highly praised by past guests. The all-inclusive package is often mentioned as a standout feature, allowing guests to enjoy unlimited access to food, drinks, and entertainment. Overall, the Iberostar Rose Hall Beach All-Inclusive Resort has consistently received positive feedback, making it a top choice for travelers seeking a luxurious and unforgettable vacation experience. Pros and cons of staying at the resort. Like any destination, the Iberostar Rose Hall Beach All-Inclusive Resort has its pros and cons. Understanding these can help potential guests make an informed decision when planning their trip. Some of the pros of staying at the resort include the stunning beachfront location, the wide range of amenities and services, the luxurious accommodations, the well-attended staff, and the all-inclusive package that allows for a worry-free vacation. However, there are also a few cons that should be considered. Some guests have mentioned that the resort can get crowded during peak times, which may affect the overall experience. Additionally, while the dining options are diverse and of high quality, some guests have found the reservation process for the a la carte restaurants to be a bit challenging. It's important to weigh these pros and cons based on personal preferences and priorities when deciding whether to book a stay at the Iberostar Rose Hall Beach All-Inclusive Resort. Tips for planning a trip to the resort. If you're considering a trip to the Iberostar Rose Hall Beach all-inclusive resort, here are a few tips to help you make the most of your stay. Firstly, it's recommended to book your accommodations well in advance, especially if you plan to visit during peak travel seasons. This will ensure that you secure your preferred room category and dates. Secondly, take advantage of the resort's all-inclusive package by exploring the various dining options and participating in the included activities and entertainment. Try to make reservations at the a la carte restaurants as early as possible to secure your desired dining times. Lastly, don't forget to pack sunscreen, beach essentials, and comfortable footwear for exploring the resort. Also, consider bringing a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated throughout your stay. Services. The staff at Iberostar Rose are dedicated to ensuring that every guest's needs are met with the utmost care and attention. From the moment you check in, you will be treated to warm Dominican hospitality and personalized service that enhances your overall vacation experience. The resort's commitment to excellence and guest satisfaction is evident in every aspect of the property, making it a top choice for discerning travelers seeking a truly exceptional getaway. Conclusion. The Iberostar Rose Hall Beach all-inclusive resort offers a truly unforgettable vacation experience. From its stunning beachfront location to its luxurious accommodations, world-class amenities, and exceptional service, this resort has everything you need for a relaxing and enjoyable getaway. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a combination of both, the resort's wide range of dining options, activities, and entertainment ensure that there is something for everyone. With its positive customer reviews and testimonials, the Iberostar Rose Hall Beach all-inclusive resort is a top choice for travelers looking to create lasting memories. So why wait? Start planning your dream vacation today and experience the beauty and luxury of this remarkable resort. Dear viewers, that's a wrap on our adventure through all-inclusive resort Iberostar Rose Hall. So immerse yourself in Punta Cana's rich cultural heritage and experience its breathtaking natural beauty. By following this comprehensive travel guide and budget, you can make the most of your time in Punta Cana Beach, Resort and Spa, and create memories that will last a lifetime. If you are as jazzed as we are, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for our next exciting adventure. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep making memories. Happy travels, TravelTube.